Welcome to Eat, Pray, Plan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom to two adventurous boys, and I plan our lives one sticker at a time. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that have helped me plan a happy life in hopes that they can help you too. So if you want to see how I do that, come plan with me. In this video, I want to talk to you about stickers. I'm going to share with you my favorite stickers to use in my planner, and I'm also going to share with you a few recent purchases that I've made of different online shops that you must check out because they are fantastic. Okay, so first of all, let me start off by sharing with you these. So these are cloth and paper stickers. They're very functional stickers. They come in different shapes and different colors. And I've used these in my monthly. And then I've used these to kind of block things out. So let me see, I know off the top of my head, so here, I've used the long strips to block out, to time block in this schedule, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yes. So I use them also in July's monthly, just to kind of block out certain days. And these I think these are the other ones, the AliExpress ones that I'm going to share with you also. So yeah, so I've used the cloth and paper stickers in my planner, which I love. These I got in my sub box, but they do sell the packs on their website. I will link all the shops that I talked to you about in the description of this video, so you can check them out. And they come in so many different colors. I am waiting for my recent sticker purchase with them, and I got some little dewdrops. So you'll see those around in my planner soon. Okay, so that's the first one, cloth and paper. Then I want to share with you these. So I received 3 different orders, one from Paper Panda, one from Alicia Michelle XO, and one from Daisy May Plans. So I'm going to share these with you, and let me see here. Okay, so the first one that I want to share with you is these 4 sticker sheets that I purchased from Alicia Michelle XO on Etsy. I loved this Bookish sticker sheet, and I saw it when she released it a few months ago, but I don't know why I didn't purchase it. And I saw it again when she opened her shop again, and I just had to have it. And then I also purchased this one because of the yellow sunflowers. I thought they would be really pretty for the end of summer. And these are clear stickers. So I absolutely love clear stickers. These as well, they are clear. They're clear stickers, and the quality is really, really good. So you will definitely be seeing these in my spreads soon. And then I purchased black outline florals, of course, because hello, I needed this in my sticker collection. And then last but not least, from Alicia Michelle, it's this paper sticker sheet, and I actually used these this week. So I use them in my dailies, and I just thought they were super cute, and who doesn't love coffee? So this is how I used these stickers in my spread. Okay, so next, let's see which one is next. I haven't opened the one from Daisy May Plans, so I'm gonna leave that one for last because I wanna be surprised with you guys. Okay, so these are from Paper Panda, and you can find her on Instagram, and she has a website also. So I'm gonna share with you. You can see that I could not wait to start using some of these. So I bought a few stickers from her. The first little pack that I bought, it's a blush word set, and it comes with different little labels. And I'll show you how I've used them in my planner. So to do AM, to do PM, and top 3. This one is a finance sheet. Then this one is project sheet, work sheet, and then social sheet, and then this one, the home sheet. So I love these. First of all, because they're super tiny and they fit great in my personal size planner. So I've used here. So this one is from this pack. It's from, where is it? Huh, right here. It's from this pack. So it fits perfectly in the little line, and these inserts are the personal size inserts and the weekly layout from Cloth and Paper. So it fits perfect. But I think that I used it also in my dailies. Let me show you. Yeah, right here. I used it in my dailies as well. And then I used these. So I received a set of Cornell style inserts in my Cloth and Paper sub box. And I think that these, so the to-do fits perfect in this little column, and then I just write my top threes, my to-do AM and to-do PM. So that's how I'm using this little pack in my planner. And then I also got this set. So this page, it's a reading time page, and it just has cute little books, and I am using that one in my monthly here, but in my monthly in the weekly section here. So I am using this this sticker sheet to track when I start a new book. So it fits, again, it fits perfectly in the little box of the monthly. So when I realized that it fit perfectly, I had to place another order. So I did place a second order this week. I ordered another set of these. I ordered another set of these in a different color. This is blush, and I ordered in nude. And then I'm gonna show you a floral sheet that I purchased from her. And I already used it, so I'm gonna share that with you as well. So last but not least, from Paper Panda is this beautiful modern Botanicals Deco sheet. So I purchased two because, oh my goodness, you guys, if you know me, this has my name written all over it. So these are paper stickers, but they are great quality. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I have used only Happy Planner stickers up until now. So I was really hesitant about trying other stickers just because I was used to the amazing quality of the Happy Planner stickers. But the three shops that I'm going to share with you today have not disappointed, and they have earned a loyal customer in me because the quality of these stickers, it's really good. You can't compare because it's different paper, different everything, but the quality is amazing. And I consider myself to be a sticker expert because I have used the Happy Planner stickers, and they are amazing. So it's, you know, it's a high bar, and definitely Paper Panda and Elisa Michelle's stickers are right there with the Happy Planner ones. So I purchased two of these sets, and then I purchased in my most recent order another set of floral stickers, and the colors are darker. It's like dark purple, dark green, and black, and I can't wait to get those, and I will definitely be doing a spread with those. And then this, I just started this week's spread, and I used these, I just used them in the corners, and I think they look beautiful. So this is how I used this little deco sheet from Paper Panda. Okay, and then she included some freebies. This was part of her sub box. So Paper Panda does have a subscription box that I'm so tempted to try because it is beautiful, everything that I've seen. So she included this freebie from her sub box, and then she included some other little freebies. This one says mini chic icons. So little cleaning icons, paydays. And I love, it might seem that these little cards are tiny. They're credit card size, but honestly, they're great. Like, you can definitely make it work and make it fit in your planner. So don't shy away because you see that they're tiny sheets. The stickers in itself are amazing and they are usable. They're not itty bitty. So you'll definitely be able to see stuff and highlight things in your planners. So I received natural squares, pastel circles, and this is my favorite because I love these colors, succulent squares. So these were the freebies that she included in my order. So that is Paper Panda. And then, okay, let's open this, you guys. Let's see. So Daisy May Plans, it's a European company. And I found her on Instagram because she does a beautiful job of decorating the Happy Planner dashboard layout, actually. So I kept seeing her layouts, and I'm like, oh my goodness, where are those flowers from? And I saw in one of her posts, I think it was on her bio, and she has an Etsy shop. So I purchased these, and I want to say that even though they come all the way from Europe, shipping and the time frame in which you get them, I was really impressed. So these are the ones that came in today. So let me share these with you guys. They're so pretty. Okay, so first, this set, they have names on the Etsy shop, and she gives you two options. So she gives you an option A and an option B. You can obviously pick both, but then it just differs a little bit on the sizing of the flowers and the amount. So I really can't remember which ones I picked, but these are also clear and they are beautiful. They're like this beautiful sticky vellum. So they're gorgeous. I'm gonna use these in my spread. I've had people request a plan with me in my pocket, so I think I'm gonna use these in my pocket. And then I ordered another sheet, and look guys, it's Watercolor Florals. Hello, this is like perfection. I ordered this one, blacks. I ordered the purple with the pink, and then, oh my goodness, look how beautiful. They're so pretty, and the size, I think it's great. Like, so I think this one is a pack that has bigger flowers, so you can see here kind of, so this one has more like small flowers, so you can choose, and I think I did a little mix of everything. So this one is beautiful. I think I skipped. I can't pick my favorite, you guys. They're all so beautiful. Oh, look here. Oh my goodness. I should have read better. Pink and white set B. So they do have the name. Oh, okay, good to know. Okay, so vanilla blush set B. So then you can see, then this one doesn't have it. Oh, okay. Okay, so some of them do, some of them don't, which is perfectly fine. So you can see, that's what I meant with like different sets. Okay. And then last but not least, navy and white set A. So these are the 7. I think I ordered 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 beautiful sticker sheets that I ordered from Daisy May Plans. Okay, so these are the 3 orders that I received, and then I wanted to share with you 2 more different stickers that I use in my planner. So, of course, if you've been here, you know that I love the Happy Planner sticker packs. And this one was the most recent one that I picked out, but I've been able to kind of figure out what style of sticker books I like. So I have definitely decluttered a lot of my sticker books by the Happy Planner. At some point, I had all of them, you guys, and there's over 200 of them, I think. And they're all beautiful, but I now know my style, so I know which sticker books will be best. And then when I saw this one, I just had to have it. So it is called Wellness Planning, and I just loved the colors. I loved the color scheme, and I use a lot of their wellness sticker books. So this is the second one I believe that they've released. I use a lot of their wellness sticker books just for regular planning. So that's another thing of another reason why I love the Happy Planner stickers. It's because even though they're, you know, thought out specifically for a purpose, they're very versatile. So I definitely don't focus on the name of the sticker book. I focus on the inside to make sure that the color scheme is the one that I like and the actual stickers are functional for me. So this is the latest sticker book that I picked out on, and the Happy Planner has different sticker books like I told you before, and they are all 30 sheet sticker packs. And I purchased mine at Michael's, Joann's, or Hobby Lobby. So that is those are another kind of stickers that I'm absolutely loving right now, and I've always loved for my planner. And then last but not least, my little dot collection. So these are, I get asked a lot about these, and these are from AliExpress. So I bought them at the end of last year, and I just searched, let me remember, washi sticker roll. And even though it says washi, I think it's washi because it's all like one roll, but they're individual little stickers. And I love them, you guys. So they do come from China, so it does take a while. Before 2020, when I ordered these, it took, I think, like a month. So now if you order stuff from China, it might take even longer. But I have found, guys, the price, it's like amazing. You can't beat it. So I think that on AliExpress, they're like a couple of dollars. But then I found them also on Amazon. So on Amazon, they sell them, I think, for like $5. And I have a ton of colors. So they come in a lot of colors. And look, you guys, it is, keeps going. So it is, there's a ton of these, and they're all clear. And you can write in them, because I have written in them. And you can use them just as clear. Oh my goodness, hold on. You can use them just as clear little bullet marks. Okay, so then this is my collection. So I keep them in my closet in this little ready done container, and then I just pull out the ones that I want. And I usually keep a few rolls of like certain colors that I'm using in my desk. So these are the AliExpress sticker dots that you see me use every single week. Okay, so that is what I'm loving right now when it comes to stickers. So I mentioned the AliExpress sticker roll, the Happy Planner multi-pack sticker books, then Daisy Made Plans, and her shop is on Etsy, but again, I will post all the details in the description box below. She's also on Instagram. Then the cloth and paper sticker sheets, which I received mine in my sub box, and you can also purchase them on her website. She is also on Instagram. And then Paper Panda, she has a website and on Instagram as well. And then last but not least, Alicia Michelle on Etsy and on Instagram. So this is what I'm loving right now as far as stickers, and I'm able to decorate my planner every week and still keep it functional using the right amount of decorative and functional stickers. Okay, so this is my sticker collection right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope I could convince you a little bit more to give stickers a try. It is not that scary. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you learn how to use them in a way that works for you, stickers are so amazing, you guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, for hanging out with me today. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and turn on your notifications, because I do share new videos every weekend. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you again for joining me and for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I will see you next time. Bye.